If you are running a small business, your website should not feel like a full-time job. And yet, the most platforms, it's exactly like that. Plugin issues, theme limitations, constant updates. That's why more small business owners are switching to Webflow. And today, I'm going to show you why. In this video, I will walk you through exactly why Webflow has become such a go-to for small businesses. No plugins, no code, full control over design. And the kind of performance and SEO tools the most platforms log behind plugins or developer setups. We will look at real-world benefits, faster launches, easier edits, better mobile experiences, and a more modern way to run your site without relying on a developer for every changes. I have worked with dozens of small business owners, coaches, consultants, e-commerce startups, agencies, and they had all one thing in common. They were spending way too much time trying to manage their site and not enough time growing their business. Once we moved their site to Webflow, things changed. They had more clarity, faster pages, and way less tech headaches. So let's break down exactly why small businesses are choosing Webflow. Hey, I'm Mansif, Webflow expert and founder of Webflow. We have worked with 100 plus small business owners who need clean, fast, editable websites without the bloat of WordPress or the design limits of Wix. Let's get into the top reasons why Webflow just makes sense for small teams and solo founders. First one, no plugins, no patchwork. Small businesses don't have time to manage 10 plus plugins. Webflow gives you built-in forms, SEO settings, backups, CMS for blogs or case studies, hosting and SSL, all out of the box. Less maintenance, fewer updates, and no plugin conflicts to stress about. Second, full design control without coding. Your site should not look like a template anyone can buy. Webflow lets you design from scratch or customize deeply from a template without writing any code. It's like getting developer level freedom with a visual editor that's actually intuitive. Third, easy editing for non-tech teams. After launch, business owners or marketing teams can log in and update text, images, and blog posts in seconds. No need to call a developer for every small change. You even get CMS editor mode, which means your content team sees a clean, simple interface with just the fields they need. Fourth, SEO-Ready by default. Meta titles, alt tags, sitemap, structured data. Webflow has all the SEO tools built in. And since Webflow writes clean code under the hood, your site is already optimized for search engines out of the box. Fifth one, speed and mobile optimization. Webflow sites are hosted on the fast global CDN, which means your site loads quickly anywhere in the world. Every page is responsive by default, so your visitors get smooth mobile experience without needing a separate mobile site. Sixth, built-in hosting and security. No need to find third-party hosting. Webflow handles everything. SSL certificates, fast load times, automatic backups, staging links. Your site is live, secure, and reliable without juggling multiple tools or subscriptions. Seventh, faster launches. Webflow helps you go from idea to live site way faster. Whether you are starting with a free or premium template or build a custom from scratch, it's easier to build and launch compared to most traditional platforms. Eighth one, great for growth, not just a starter site. This is not throwaway landing page tool. Webflow is scalable. You can start small and expand. Add a blog, add case studies, add team bios or career pages without needing a redesign. If you are a small business owner looking to launch or refresh your website, Webflow is one of the most efficient platforms out there. It gives you full control without the complexity. It's fast, flexible, and easy to maintain. And if you are thinking of making the switch but want help figuring out the best direction, I would love to chat. You will find my contact link in the description. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe if you want more honest advice like this, and let me know in the comments what kind of business you are building. I might share some specific tips in the next video.